A British parliamentarian has asked his government to confront Zimbabwean authorities over the continued incarceration of Citizen Coalition for Change (CCC) co-leader Jameson Timber and 78 other party activists. Achiperi mushe toona kuti aiwa Britain yopindira panhau yekukepishiwa kwakaitiwa vana Jameson Timber. Sambe namashoko vabuda kutaura kuti subscribe like or on the bell icon. Tipinda paendo pavo vanonyora vachiti the group was seized from Timber's Avondale home in Harare. Speaking on Thursday in the British House of Lords, Jonathan Oates challenged the British government to strongly condemn the abuse of human rights in Zimbabwe. Oates, who has opposed Zimbabwe's readmission into the Commonwealth before, said respect for human rights and rule of law are key pillars in any society at home and abroad. He added the government would be aware of the brutal arrests and detention of Zimbabwe opposition leader Jameson Timber and 78 others, including a mother with a 1-year-old child. They have now been detained for 39 days in appalling conditions and denied their constitutional right to bail by a captured judiciary. Domashwa tukora shuna Britain inotanga ya dismissa Zimbabwe kuti isirege kuri admitwa ku Commonwealth. Ndobva yakati aiwa toda kunoona kuti ma human rights ari kufondwa munyika yeZimbabwe. Noda kuti vana Jameson Timber vari kunyima bail of which vango sure vari etebrai. Tinoona kuti pane case inoonekwa kuti kune a 1-year-old child in prison. Kunyasa kuoneka kuti aiwa munyasa kuabuswa ma rights. Sudze mafundo enyu pene comment section medu. Musana subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.